Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. Welcome to this Python tutorial where we're going to talk about dictionaries. And a dictionary has an entry that associates a unique key with a value. And what that means is, do you remember in sequences such as lists and tuples that each entry into those sequences had a index associated with it, but it was started at 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, like an array. So what we can do now with dictionary is we can give it a unique key, such as a name, or set whatever number we want, so it doesn't have to be in order or in a sequence, sequential. So what we can do now is we can give a key and a value to some entry in a comma separated list. So let's do this real quick. I'll just write it out. Dictionary equals, and then we're going to open up some curly braces, and inside here we can put some type of key, which should be either like a string or a number, something simple like that, that's immutable, but the value that it associates to can be of any Python object. So let's just say I was making a phone number dictionary. I want to say Mike, so if I was searching for Mike as the key, I want the value to be some type of random number, but in real life probably a real number. And now we can separate this entry with a comma to start a new entry. And I'm using string as the key. You may also want to use number, whatever the situation is. So now I can say John, colon, add, 7 numbers in there. Say Steve, colon, and a couple numbers in there. I don't know, that's 7 right there. So now we can print out dictionary, and we get all these values. And just to show you that I can use the key as the index, I'm going to say dictionary and throw in John in there. Make sure you put it with the quotes, single or double quotation marks, so we can know that it's a string, and we get back that value right there. Alright, and other useful things that we can do is we can say dictionary dot keys, and it gives us all the keys, and then dictionary dot values, and it gives us all the values. And we can delete and add more stuff as we go along. And just to refresh your mind, to delete something, we'll say del dictionary, and then throw in the index or the key of whatever value you want to get rid of. So let's just say I want to get rid of Steve. Get rid of him right here. And now if I print out dictionary again, there's no more Steve, just Mike and John. Alright, and some other common functions that we can use, you can just say dictionary dot, just wait a second, and this list of things will pop up. Clear, copy, from keys, get, items, keys, pop items, set default, update. I think the last one was values. Alright, so those are some of the things that we can do with a dictionary, and you can use dictionaries or sequences, whatever is best for you to store the object that you're trying to create. So this has its advantages in some situations, and where a sequence or some other type of data structure would have a better usability. So that is what a dictionary is. I'm trying to make sure I covered everything. So pretty much what you want to take from this tutorial is when you create a dictionary, also I just use the word dictionary right here. You don't have to. Just make it any variable name that you want to, so you can refer to whatever's in a dictionary. So remember that we're going to open it up with curly braces, and we can have 0 to infinite amount of things in there, and the key right here can be used to reference this value right here, and the value can be anything you want, any type of Python object. So separate the key from the value with a colon, and separate each entry with a comma. Alright, so that's the basic of a dictionary. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe below.